Guys, this is Giga Technologies, and today we are going to be showing you how to solve a hard drive problem. Probably you are seeing an error message that is telling you that the hard drive is missing, the bootable device is missing, or check hard drive. So we are going to be solving that today. This video is going to be showing you how to solve such problem, and we are going to be using a HP 1000 system. Come on guys, let's see how this works. Okay guys, come on, let's see. We have HP 1000 here. So here is HP 1000. This HP 1000. This HP 1000. And this is how it looks like. You see, HP 1000. This is the back. So we are going to be checking the hard drive of this HP 1000. Let's put off the system now. You can see the system is not loading. We are going to put it on right now. It's coming on. So definitely it's not a RAM issue. It's not a RAM issue. It's not showing anything. It's not a RAM issue. We're still waiting for it to come on. Now I see smart hard disk error. Can you see it? Smart hard disk error. Boot device not found. Please install an operating system. Can you see that? Boot manager. It took us to boot manager. It's not seeing anything. Let's check F10. Let's check F10. We don't have anything here. Normally we can't find. We don't see our hard drive on F10 basically. We can't find it there, except we want to run the memory or hard drive testing, but it's already complaining about the hard drive. So all we just need to do right now, we are going to swap the hard drive. So I got, this is a 500 gig hard drive here. The slim 500 gig hard drive here. You see it. So we are going to be swapping this with the system now. So next thing, we put off this F10, yes. So we shut down off the system manually. To the system manually. We are going to be needing screwdrivers. We have the star, some people call this star screwdriver, or they call it Phillips screwdriver. So we are going to be using this. And the first thing, we remove our battery first. Remove the battery first. Remove the battery. Then here we have the RAM here. But if we do not remove this covering, we can't remove this also. So we have to remove this covering first. You have to be gentle with it so you don't break these edges. Then we remove this. Is this what I'm looking for? So these are hard drive. So this is where the hard drive is located, and this is the hard drive cable. It's a SATA cable. So it's pull it out from the See, this is South Africa. See, and this is a series battery. So we are going to remove the casing. This case we are going to remove it. Be careful, there might be screw, but if there is no screw, you just have to remove it from it. Okay, it is. So this is the bag out there. So we want this. Same way you remove it. Careful. Gentle. Okay, we have it swapped. Now we fix this block. Okay. Boom. And we screw this back. Our battery is leaving. Okay, so let's see. So now it's bootable. It's complaining about boot device not fine, or please install an operating system on your hard drive. Okay, so now all we need to do is our Windows installation. So I already have a Windows 10 flash drive here, bootable flash drive here. So let's see what we have. Okay, Control Alt Delete to restart the system, and I press my F9 to change them. So I'm saying you boot from USB hard drive UEFI SanDisk. Okay. Okay. So we are back to our BIOS settings now. We want to check if our bootable device is on UEFI already. Okay, it's in UEFI. Let's try our secure boot. Let's try and disable it. And F10 to save. Yes. 1347 enter. Okay. Stay stable. Once it starts, don't select anything, to select the Windows itself.
Nobody go share this glory with you. Now your own, oh. Ay, 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 ay. Nobody go share this glory with you. Oh. Now your own, oh. Ay, 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 ay. In heaven and on earth, oh, say, you remain same, 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 same. Aha! In heaven and on earth, oh, say, you remain the same.
Let's start with region. Is this right? So you select your country, United States or Nigeria, or where you are loading this, where you be using the system. That's what you are going to select over here. So we click on United States, and it's going to load to the next step. What kind of keyboard are we using, or which keyboard layout? We have different keyboard layouts. So we click on US, OK, and we have additional keyboard. We add it up. For us not to waste time, so I will click on don't have internet and continue with limited setup. Continue with limited setup, as you can see. Click on continue with limited setup. Then I will use either the name of the owner of the PC, or you use user. Most times we use user as our name, the person that's going to use the PC. But if it's a company, you have to use the company name. You don't have add password. The owner will add password to it itself. Okay. Then we accept all privacy settings and other settings. We accept them. So over here, the installation is creating your desktop. You understand? It's creating your desktop and your settings. So that is what it's doing right here. So guys, that ends the video. Please, if you like our video, please do well to subscribe for more videos. You can comment in the comment section whatsoever tutorial you need, and if there's anything you don't understand, please let me know. We will be having more tutorials on how to create your bootable flash drive and other stuff. Please let me know what videos you want. Thank you. Bigger Technologies.